Hey guys, this is Satish from apnipolicy.com. We know that how much a life insurance is important to us in this age and time because we can't even predict what will happen to us in the next second. Life is totally uncertain as well as unpredictable. So, in order to this, we need a life coverage, we need a security for our life. And through this video, we will discuss about the top 5 reasons why you should choose a term plan in year 2021. So let's begin this video without any further delay. So first of all, we will discuss about what is a term life insurance. Term insurance is the purest form of life insurance policy that provides life coverage to an individual for a certain term or period at a very nominal premium. So why term insurance is the purest form of life insurance? Because what's the main purpose of an insurance? To provide a life coverage to an individual, and that's what an term life insurance policy is giving to an individual. There is no such thing of insurance plus investment, and hence the premium of the term insurance is very low and it provide a very maximum or a high coverage. So if you are just 20, you will get a term plan of 1 cr at just a premium of 500 rupees per month. I hope the point is clear now, and let's move to the point why you should go with term life insurance. First of all, deaths. Majority of us took loan in their life because of some emergencies when there is some financial crisis in the family. What if in that particular period the debtor who took the loan lost his or her life? Then in this case the family have to repay the borrowing amount along with the interest, because the lender has the proper rights to recover the loan amount from the borrower's personal assets. In this case, the family lose its financial stability and get into a huge debt trap. So, if you have taken any kind of loan, then that's a strong as well as a valid reason why you should go with term insurance plan today. The another reason of choosing a term insurance plan is its affordability. Yes, you heard it right. The term insurance plan is the most affordable plan offered by an insurance company, and as we discussed before, that if you are 20 you will get a life coverage of 1 cr at just 500 rupees per month, and if you are 30 you will get the same amount of coverage at around 750 rupees per month. Again, it's vary from company to company what they are charging. So it is the most cheapest plan as compared to other type of insurance such as endowment or life coverage, because they kind of offer life insurance plus investment in that kind of insurance policies, but the premium is very low here and anyone can easily afford that amount of premium. So yeah, it's the most affordable insurance plan currently available in the market. Since term plan is an insurance product, then you will also get tax benefit here. So you will get tax benefit on the premium that you have paid for the policy during the year. Under section 80C, you will get tax rebate of up to rupees 1.5 lakhs. In case of death of the insured, the beneficiary will get whole insurance amount without paying a single penny of tax on it under section 1010D, which means you don't have to, or your family don't have to pay any tax on the amount that they will receive from the insurance company. But in case of other type of investment such as mutual funds or stock, you have to pay certain amount of money as a tax to them. So yeah, that's the main reason of choosing a term insurance plan, and you will end up saving a lot of amount as a tax. The another reason of choosing term plan is because of the fixed premium, which means if you choose any life coverage, then you have to pay the same amount till the particular period of the term policy. Let's understand with an example. Let's say Mr. Ram bought a term insurance plan for the 20 years of life coverage of 2 CR, and the annual premium of it is around 12,000 rupees per annum. In that case, the Mr. Ram will pay only 12,000 rupees every year till 20 years, which means the policy premium gets locked, or policy premium is fixed for that particular period of time. Unlike an health insurance where they will increase the premium after a particular period of time, but there is no such things in term plan. My advice here is that buy a term plan as early as you can, because there's two main reasons behind it. One is you will get a very high coverage at a very low premium. Another is your premium will get locked for the particular period of time that you will select while buying the policy. The last and the most important reason of buying a term insurance plan is because of the life coverage. I know most of the people who are watching this video have family and they might depend on you. Maybe you are the only bread earner for your family, and if anything happens to you in future, then in that case who will look your family after you? How will they survive in this highly inflated world? The financial stability of your family will get hampered. But you can do one thing, just buy a term insurance plan today. So if anything happens to you in future, then still your children get good education, will have good meals, and there should be enough funds for them so that they can easily survive in the future. The situation is getting worse day by day. COVID is at its peak and thousands of deaths reported every day. And I don't think that I need to convince you anymore to buy a term insurance plan. But the another question arises here is that where to buy term life insurance. You can buy it from anywhere, online or offline, but one problem you will face here is that you will get misguided by the people who are already into this industry. So one thing you can do is that you can just book a free appointment call with us and we will guide you and help you decide the best term life insurance currently available in the market. We are into this industry from the last 27 years and maintain over a good claim settlement ratio of 98.25%. So yeah, you can trust on us and we will definitely give you unbiased opinion. So link in the description, you can fill out the link and we will reach out to you. And now let's wrap up this video and we will meet in the next video with some another interesting topic. Till then, bye.